Hi, I'm Dr. Richa Vats. I'm a maxillofacial prosthodontic consultant here at Ashlok Hospital. Let's talk about gum care. Now, what are gums? Gum basically surround the teeth. They envelop the tooth, and along with the bone, they help in supporting and surrounding the teeth. Now, these gums can be kept healthy by regular brushing, flossing, and doing rinses. When the teeth are not cleaned properly, there is a soft deposit of white layer that happens on the tooth adjacent to the gum tissue. This is known as white debris. Now, if this debris is not removed within the next 24 to 48 hours, it tends to get hardened. And now this hard substance, which is called calculus, cannot be removed by regular brushing. For that, you have to come to a dentist and get a professional cleaning done. Due to this hard substance called calculus, there's a lot of deposition of bacteria, toxins, pathogens, and the gum starts to move away from the tooth surface. Now, all of these bacteria and pathogens start getting inside between the teeth and the gums, thereby causing swelling, inflammation, leading to infection. The infected gums appear red, swollen, and they're often tender also. So we always wary of this sign. Also, the gums tend to bleed if they're not healthy. A lot of people think that bleeding gums is normal, but it is not. Bleeding only occurs if there's any underlying pathology in the gums, so you should always get it checked. In diabetes, there's increase in blood sugar levels, which acts as an environment for the pathogens to grow, and there is increased bacterial load into the bloodstream, thereby increase of periodontal pathogens, and hence the periodontal disease is initiated. So infected gums lead to infection percolating into the bone, thereby resulting in tooth loss. As we all know, smoking is a really bad habit. Not only it affects the lungs, but also the oral cavity. Now, when one person is smoking, there is deposit on the teeth, and also it adversely affects the gum. Smoking adversely affects the body and also the oral cavity. In the oral cavity, it leads to a lot of tartar buildup and calculus and plaque on the teeth, that the gum tends to move away from the tooth, and also everyone is aware of oral cancers, which is primarily caused by smoking. So all those people who smoke, they have to come in for regular dental checkups so that we can prevent any development of cancer, or maybe an early detection that can save you a lot. Now let's move on to how to exactly take care of our gums. Everyone knows that brushing is to be done twice a day, once in the morning after breakfast and once at night after dinner. Also, along with brushing, you have to do flossing. Regular flossing is very, very important, and it's not a replacement of a toothbrush. Along with both these measures, regular warm water rinses and regular dental checkups are very, very important. So to sum it up, it's very important that we take care of our gums, because these are the tissues that hold the teeth in place, and also not let any deposit, tartar or calculus sit onto our teeth. Even a small calculus or a plaque can lead to a cardiovascular incident. So to avoid all of this, and in general to keep your body healthy, it is very important that you keep your tissues and your teeth healthy. And for that, you have to visit your dentist regularly. Regularly meaning that you have to get your dental checkups done at least twice a year. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.